don't have any bagels! Or chip! So, Connor, what do you want to do today? Well, bro beans, dude, I don't know. What's the other Connor want to do? Let's go mountain biking, man. Agreed. That's the color of friends there, bro. Cause you can't go solo, you know what I'm telling? Okay. Jeremy Smith.
Jesus Wiesman.
Matt Mangione.
Mike.
Grayson Boozer.
What? Grayson.
Maybe a little bit Sam Dev up in the mix.
Wait, no, Sam Dever.
Nick Powski, a little tab of that. Yeah.
And it's at the same place that I went.
Nate Popowski.
Yeah, so that's...
Top off the suit. Me, myself, and that bitch.
Johnny Scound.
Mike the rapist.
Have you heard about that rapist Mike? Apparently he lives in these woods right here.
What?
Apparently that he takes little children back here and does them in the butt like so. Oh my god. Oh! Is that him down there? Oh god. Oh no. Guys, I need a plug. Does anyone have one?
So you're right. Dude, don't do it. He's back there. Look, he's right there.
Who, Mike the rapist?
Yeah.
I can take him with my schlong.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Shit! No! No, run!
Connor's fucked. He's fucked so fucking bad. Oh shit.
That was so hot, man. I got a boner.
Dude, his finger was like 5 inches in his ass.
Dude, man, I thought his whole hand was up there. I thought it was a fist scene.
I saw it up to his elbow.
What are we gonna do with Connor?
Oh shit, dude, man, I'm almost positive he ate the poo-poo.
He's shitting torpedoes from here on out.
Dude, man, Connor is definitely not gonna come back. He's probably buried in the woods alive. Oh my god.
He's gonna fuck him to death.